A third vaccine dose is on the horizon for millions of Americans. U.S. health officials just recommended booster shots for everyone to boost our protection against the coronavirus as the highly contagious Delta variant really gets a grip over the country. Thanks for joining us here at noontime, everybody. I'm Paula Ebben. The plan was just announced by the CDC. It calls for that booster dose to be administered 8 months after people receive the second dose of either the Moderna or the Pfizer vaccines, and they could begin as early as next month if fully approved by the FDA. President Biden is expected to speak about the boosters later on today, but right away we wanted to bring in our own Dr. Mallika Marshall to give us your thoughts. And also, health officials have been talking about the possibility of the need for this booster shot for a long time, right?
That's right. We sort of knew that this was coming. We just weren't exactly sure when. But now we have data that actually shows that the effectiveness of the mRNA vaccines against infection declines over time. Now, the goal of the vaccines is not necessarily to prevent infection, but to prevent severe illness. And while the vaccines appear to remain effective against severe disease, hospitalization, and death, health officials worry that could also diminish over time. So they're suggesting that people who have received either the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines get a third dose 8 months after their second dose.
So let's talk about the plan, because now we're all used to this, right? So the plan right now is to begin administering those third doses during the week of September 20th. That's when they'll be available. But again, not everybody eligible all at once.
That's right. So they want to roll it out to the people who are most vulnerable. So the priority groups will include nursing home residents, older individuals who were vaccinated early on, and healthcare workers like myself. For example, I received my second dose on January 7th, so I'm coming up on that 8-month mark in the next couple of weeks. And, you know, I certainly welcome an additional dose when it's my turn.
Right. So people are going to hear that this announcement applies to the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine, but for those who received the J&J vaccine, they're thinking, well, what about me?
I know. What about me? J&J. Well, right now, you guys remain in a holding pattern, which I know is frustrating. But Johnson & Johnson is currently studying whether giving a second dose of their vaccine is safe and effective. We expect to hear more about that in the next few weeks. We're also hoping to get more clarity in the next few weeks on whether it's both safe and effective to mix and match vaccines. So if you received the J&J vaccine, again, you're not up on that 8-month period yet, but you still need to hold tight, and we hope to have more information for you soon.
The CDC pointed out, by the way, it will be free, and there's plenty of supply.
That's right.
It will be everywhere.
That's right. So don't rush out and get it yet.
Don't rush.
Gotta wait a little bit.
After September 20th. Dr. Mallika Marshall, thanks so much.
You're welcome.